Hi there. I'm gonna start going through it. So first, I hover over your Google sign-in icon for 3 seconds. So let me go to Google. R. Curtis, FortSmithSchools.org. Boom. Go to Google Drive, create a new folder, name it using the formula your first name. I made to my drive, made a folder named Ryan. Awesome. And then rename this document to your first name, your last name, Virtual Skills Demo. So to do that, gotta go File, make a copy. Ryan Curtis Virtual Skills Demo. I'll just go ahead and press OK and then move it there in a minute. Boo-yah. Okay. I'll try to move this up just a tad so that light isn't glaring at you. Oh, my hair. Excuse me. All right. Now it says turn this sublist into a bulleted list. Sure. Why not? Let's do it. Ka-chow. Reformat the title, making it bold. I'm just going to go ahead and call this the title. Google Docs. The title? I don't know. We'll go ahead and call it this. It was already bold. We'll make it bold again. We'll center it. And we'll turn it into 18 font. And we'll turn it into lobster. It just looks so pretty. All right, find the FSPS Remote Learning Google site. Choose the G Suite page. Man, that took me a while to find, but I found it. And I'm scrolling. Let me widen my page here. Well, that's weird. Okay. Anyways, come down to G Suite page. I'm going to copy this bad boy. Come back to my page. Hyperlink it to a new bullet point using the words G Suite Learning. Okay, sure. Hyperlink. Go to your folder, create a new form called your first name, your first last name, virtual quiz. Let's do it. Did it say quiz? I think it said quiz. Well, virtual quiz, sure. See if that's good enough. Virtual quiz. Okay, sorry. Want to move along because I have 15 minutes on this form. We're going to hope that it does that. In settings, I got to go make it a quiz since I want it to be points. Save. So build the following: a name, a true false, a 4 multiple choice, and a short answer. So let's do this. Last name, comma, first name. That's how I have my students do it because they're stinkers. Required. And they just put their first name sometimes. A true false. True or false. Jeff Mosby is the man. Oh, well, let me change this to multiple choice. That is the best way to do multiple choice. True, false. How about add other? Just for funs. Who knows? We can go to the answer key now. True for like 10 points because Jeff Mosby's the man. All right, let's go back to it. A 4-choice multiple choice question. Let's do it. Daniel's last name is Pena. Sorry, I can't do the little tilde thing or accent. It's only 15 minutes of time. Daniel Tiger? Maybe Daniel Tiger. Maybe Daniel Pena. Maybe Daniel Daniel Son, like from Karate Kid, you know, and Macchiano. That could be. So then we're going to go to require that. We're going to go to answer key. We're going to say it's Pena for another 10 points. Those are the two I know. And they might be watching this. They might not. It could be somebody else in that department. But if it's one of them, hopefully I can make you smile a little bit. Let's go check it out. Short answer question. What is the best part about being alive during this time in history? That says long answer. I'll technically change it to short answer. Being alive. It's one word there. Thanks, Grammarly. You got my back. And probably all of my information. All right. I'll have to manually grade that since it's a short answer. You know how it goes. Okay. Preview the final form. Hyperlink the quiz here. Sure. Let's do that. Preview. View form. Now I usually copy the share. When I'm really going to copy it, I do the send. And then I get this. Is that the same exact? Oh well. Either way, sometimes I just like that better. Where am I at? Back on this page. Hyperlink quiz here. Quiz here. Smiley face. All right. Google Slides. Go to your folder, create new slides, blank presentation. Make sure you change your sharing settings. Anyone at Fort Smith can view. Google Slides. Coca-Cola Classic. Sponsor this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Coca-Cola. Let's do share. Oh, I guess we should name it. Good call. Whoa. Calm down. I'm sure it's virtual. Ryan Curtis Virtual Skills Demo. All right. Virtual slideshow. Probably one word. All right. Now we'll go to share. That's not what I'm wanting. I mean, sure. Copy link. Done. Okay. Customize it to shift theme. Title it your virtual site. So, bam, shift theme. Bam. Add a new blank format. Practice this a little bit. Text box, apple for teacher, insert a picture, and center it on the page, animate spin with previous. Cool. Apple for the teacher. Let's go ahead and make this bigger, because it'll look better. Okay. Let's center this just because, you know, we want to. Okay. Insert image, search web, Apple. Oh, look at that. 3. Oh, I like this one. Oh man, this is really weird because it's like, did it? Okay. Center it vertically and horizontally. Where's my line? Where's my happy vertical line too? There it is. Okay. Animate with previous. Did it say that? Or am I clicking over my... Nope, I clicked on my screen, sorry. My recording screen. Cool. Cool. Let's see what this... Press or enter. Continue. Okay. Close that bad boy. Let's present. See what we're looking here. Oh, I meant to spin. Hello. There we go. All right. Yeah, cool. Good times, good times. Go to our Schoology, create a new class virtual skills demo. Let's do it. My courses, create course. Can I call it my name? No, just virtual skills demo, fine. I'm gonna put my name in there so you guys can do it. Okay, I'll pick a subject area. Why not? Social studies. Level. 9th. Gotta pick something. Create. Schoology, you're so fast. You're so fast. Okay. We're going to create a discussion and a prompt and define how they can do stuff. Ooh, I only got like a minute left, so I'm not going to finish. Oh, I thought I was going to be able to finish. I'll have to add my video onto the end because I made a 2-minute student choice, student voice. Good time stuff. Whoop, that's not my course. Here's my course. Add material. Add discussion. All right. Virtual demo discussion. Description. Oh, there we go. Tell me one thing you would like to change about your school that you feel would enhance the education of everyone. My time is about to end. I'll show you